Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nuhasiza binti Ismail with metric number 289844. As we all know, the fashion sector is one of the most rapidly growing industries. With today's internet features, the platform provided to customers is more appealing to them and makes it easier for them to make decisions. As a result, we decided to launch the City Collection to show customers our design and collections. Our company also creates clothes that are comfortable, high quality and affordable, as well as tailored to customers' preferences and current trends. The City Collection is a new fashion business that focuses on custom-made apparel that opened in 2021. The City means for dream comes true, and it's our company logo. Young first on the City Collection, we aspire to make high-quality garments with the highest level of craftsmanship. Our company's main focus is on producing garments for men and women, with the garments being tailored to the customer's specifications. To meet the demands of our fashion sector clients, we want the City line to be the most well-known brand in the fashion business. Our store is located on level 3, number 20, Sunway Pyramid, Petaling Jaya, Selangor, Malaysia. The location is ideal, right in the heart of a commercial mall. The location was chosen to make it easier for our customers to see our selections in person.
Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Fatin Natasha binti Afendi and my metric number is 285851. Today, I will present the process to determine our first product and the justification for selected products. We got 4 processes to determine our first product. The first process is input. It consists of raw materials, human capital, technology, entrepreneurship, and capital required in the production process. The second process is value-added process. Value-added activities in the production process involve convert input to output using humans, materials, knowledge, and technology. Input conversion process change in terms of shape, appearance, colors, and size to other products. Next, the third process is output. Output was finished goods or other products resulting from the production process. Moreover, the fourth process is marketing. This process needs a lot of efforts to distribute finished goods or final products to target users. It also involves marketing activities, which is studying and selecting the market, forming a marketing mix such as branding and product packaging, promotion, and pricing, as well as product distribution to wholesalers and retailers. Lastly, the process is profit and loss. The profit earned is the excess of the proceeds from the sale of the stock. If the proceeds are less than the loss, the business had to bear the loss. Meanwhile, the profits earned are used to further expand the business, like open branches to buy a new stock, increase the use of technology, and so on. Next, I will be presenting our business process, which is the justification for selected product from our company, Dreams Come True Collection. The first process is input. It's needed a raw materials to make a custom-made clothing which is fabric, combat cotton, carded, polyester, pattern cotton, viscose, fabric printers, computer, graphic programs, transfer paper, heat press, and cutter. Besides that, our company human capital is employees. Next is technology. The technology that we use is sewing machine, fabric printer, computers, and graphic program. Secondly, the process is value-added process. The production of clothes from each processing will be converted into final items, namely custom-made clothing by using sewing machines, fabric printers, computer, graphic programs, and equipment operated by workers. Custom-made clothing has features such as various patterns, colors, size on the customer's own request that can meet his taste. The third process is output. The final product of Dream Come True collection is a custom-made shirt for men and women in various styles based on requests from the customer themselves. The fourth process is marketing. Dreams Come True collection offers custom-made shirts at price that match customer demand, as well as making promotion as a start to enter new markets to attract a fashion fan. The last process is profit and loss. Dreams Come True collection companies should be wise to take the opportunity in marketing various interesting shirt designs and follow the latest trends in order to attract customers, and the company's profit will increase.
Hi, my name is Rajuddin Haziman bin Samsul. My nomenclature is 290013. Today I want to explain about market research, order analysis, and some factors to concentrate creative products accept in the market. Number 1, market research. I have done some research in strategic areas and think there is a high chance for the city Dream Come True collection to be established in those areas because they have a low rate of competition and are strategically located. Next, according to the research I did, many visitors here have their own fashion sense and they cleverly style it according to the latest trend. Number 2, audience analysis. In the study I did, there are some groups that we need to know about, namely those who care about fashion but want a cheap price, those who care about an elegant and neat appearance, and those who care about comfort and quality but at a cheap price. Next, the city Dreams Come True also offered an idea service on suitable fashion regardless of age, and men or women can wear it. Furthermore, the city offered affordable price for custom-made clothing service as low as 20 ringgit to 30 ringgit. Number 3, there are some factors that need to be considered to ensure creative products are accepted in the market. Number 1, according to the environment and the demands of the people in Malaysia. Number 2, producing products suitable for all group and race. Number 3, they set a reasonable price and have a good quality. Number 4, make an interesting promotion. And number 5, has an interesting place of production.
Hi, I'm Nur Ilana Izzati binti Aziz and my magic number is 280705. Next is about how we manage our marketing. Firstly, organize a pre-launch giveaway. For a product to take off quickly, we need to create a feeling of anticipation and excitement for its release weeks or even months in advance. One of the most popular ways to do this is through pre-launch giveaway and contests. Give our product away to an exclusive group of lucky participants in sections for them, helping get the word out. There are a variety of options like TikTok contests, creating a challenge on social media, giveaway, and other else. Whatever option we choose is try to come up with content or ideas that can help our product go viral. For example, we want to ask users to share their participation on social media or come up with a good TikTok challenge. Try to be creative in message to make sure people don't see it as a spam or offer extra point for bringing in friends. Next, create a recommendation system. Word of mouth continues to be an incredibly effective way to spread the news about new product or service. Users naturally talk to their friends about the products they use and recommend. We can also give them a little push to get them wheels turning, and how it does by creating an incentive system for recommendation. Everyone likes getting freebies, so all we need to do is offer a discount coupon or free shipping in exchange for them telling their friends, because this is one of the popular tactics used by Uber and Airbnb. Lastly, establish relationship with influencer. Influencers are the kings and queens of social media marketing. As experts in a given area or industry, they tend to have a loyal audience waiting and willing to follow their recommendation. Think of influencer marketing as the digital version of the word of mouth marketing. In order to get bloggers and influencers talking about our collection, the most common strategies are to organize events and to send free samples. Be sure to keep in mind, however, that we can't buy their opinion or recommendation, as they have to be loyal to their audience as well and be honest about what they think. In order to avoid any disaster, take time to investigate which influencer would be most interesting for our product and mostly willing to collaborate with us. Finally, DCT Collection is not solely involved in the fashion sector. We DCT will strive to be one of the most well-known clothing boutique brands. Realizing your desire to look elegant, charming, and making your dreams come true. With us, your dream comes true.